Okay, the question, 3 over x plus 2 plus 4 over x minus 3 equals 2. I'm going to do this step by step. There might be a few more stages than what you're used to, but it has to happen. Right, adding fractions, same as if these didn't have any algebraic terms, I need to make the denominator the same. So I'm going to times this one, the top and the bottom, by x plus 3. And this one here, I'm going to times the top and the bottom by x plus 2. Then what I'm left with is 3 brackets x plus 3 over x plus 2 x minus 3 plus 4 brackets x plus 2, and it's going to be x plus 2 x plus 3 equals 2. Now my denominators are the same, I can just add the tops. I'm going to expand them and add the tops, so this becomes 3x plus 9, and this becomes 4x plus 8. This is actually minus 9 because that should be a minus. My denominator is just x plus 2 x minus 3 equals 2. So then what I'm going to do is, I hate fractions, so it's always good to times by the denominator. So I'm going to times both sides by x plus 2 x minus 3. I'm going to times that by x plus 2 x minus 3. Okay, so this side here, I'm going to put my, actually it's going to be 3x minus 9 plus 4x plus 8 equals 2 brackets x plus 2 x minus 3. Now on my left hand side, I'm going to put my terms together. 3 plus 4, so 4, 5, 6, 7. 7x minus 9 plus 8 is minus 1. I'm going to expand my first bracket here, just to be 2x plus 4 x minus 3. Okay. Now nothing good's really going to come, nothing nice is happening, so I'm going to expand my second brackets now. 2x times x is 2x squared, 2x minus 3 is minus 6x, move on to the 4, 4 times x is 4x, 4 times 3 is minus 12. Okay. I'm going to get my numbers all on one side because I need this to equal to 0, so the only way I can solve these. So I'm on minus 7 and plus 1 from this side, which means we have to minus 7x and plus 1 from that side. This becomes 0. I've got 2x squared. Now I'm doing minus 6, minus 7 and plus 4. Okay, so minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 7 is minus 9x. Minus 12 plus 1 is minus 11. Now I have to solve this. Now it doesn't matter how you solve this. You can see if these can be factorised. I'm not sure whether it can be, or we can use a formula, or we can use completing the square. I'm going to use a formula because I just like the formula. So the formula is minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. A is 2, b is negative 9, and c is negative 11. Let me just move it around so you can see it. Right, so I've got minus 9 plus or minus the square root of minus 9 squared minus 4 times 2 times minus 11. All of this over 2 brackets 2. The reason why I put everything in brackets, because sometimes the calculator will mess up if it doesn't see the brackets, and I can type this in exactly how it looks. So I've got minus 9. I'm doing a plus first, plus the square root of minus 9 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 11. And it's really important that you put this in exactly how it looks, 2 times 2, because mistakes are easy to happen. So this is 1 and a plus. I've got a maths error, which means I did something wrong. It's because I didn't put a bracket there. Which again establishes why it's good to do that. If it's a positive value, it's 11 over 2. Now for a negative value, I'm just going to go along. And where this is a plus, I'm going to change it to a minus. Delete minus. And I get minus 1. So x is either 11 halves or negative 1. Now if you want to check, we can substitute back into the question. So I'm just going to substitute minus 1 into this question here, just to see if it works. So I've got, I can just type in exactly how it is actually. So I've got 3 over minus 1 plus 2 plus 4 over minus 1 minus 3, and hopefully that equals 2, which it does. Perfect.